Hey, welcome to Hotel Tips. I'm Newton, and in this channel, I review hotels from around the world, here showing you the rooms, the location, and everything you need to know before booking. Let's get started.
Today's review is about the Luxor Hotel and Casino. Get ready because staying inside a pyramid is a unique experience, but there are some details you need to know before booking. The Luxor is located at 3900 Las Vegas Boulevard. It's at the south end of the Strip, which is great for those who want to escape the absolute central chaos, but still be close to everything. The cool thing is that it's connected by a free monorail to the Excalibur and the luxurious Mandalay Bay. In other words, you have 3 resorts in one. In addition, it's very close to the airport, about 10 minutes away, and right next to the famous "Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas" sign. And the structure of this hotel is surreal. It houses the largest atrium in the world. And a curious detail, in the pyramid, instead of regular elevators, you use incliners, which go up diagonally following the slope of the wall. It's fun, but it gives you a slight chill the first time. Inside, you'll also find incredible exhibits, such as the Titanic exhibit and the famous Bodies exhibit, featuring human bodies. It's a treat for those seeking leisure activities beyond the casinos. Regarding food, remember that in Las Vegas, almost nothing is all-inclusive, so you pay for what you consume. Diablo's Cantina is perfect for those who love Mexican food and margaritas, and Public House is ideal for a burger while watching the games. But my golden tip is the food court on the second floor with Johnny Rockets and Starbucks, perfect for those who want to save money and grab a quick bite. Now pay attention to the secret of the rooms. If you want the authentic themed experience with the slanted walls, choose the pyramid rooms. But if you prefer something more modern, spacious, and with conventional elevators, my recommendation is stay in the towers. They are much more comfortable and quiet. And how much does this dream cost? The Luxor is the darling of cost effectiveness. You can find daily rates starting in the range of $40 to $70 on weekdays. Just be aware that, like almost every hotel in Vegas, there's a resort fee. That resort fee of about $45 per day that you pay at check-in. Put that in your budget. In the end, is it worth it? Absolutely. The Luxor is ideal for those who want to live the Vegas fantasy, love themed hotels, and want to save on accommodation to spend more on shows and shopping. It's iconic and makes for wonderful photos. If you want to guarantee your room inside this pyramid at the best price, click now on my link in the description or scan the QR code that appears on your screen and make your reservation through Booking. You're guaranteed total security. Did you like the video? Then subscribe to Hotel Tips and leave your like. See you in Las Vegas.